Are you a business looking for a reliable clothing manufacturer? Look no further. Welcome to Lukakuu Global, your premier wholesale clothing manufacturer based in Bangladesh. We specialize in producing high-quality apparel for businesses worldwide. Unlike many manufacturers, we proudly support small quantity clothing orders. This means whether you're a startup or a growing brand, we can cater to your needs. Choosing Lukakuu Global means partnering with a team dedicated to your success, offering a blend of quality, flexibility, and affordability. We offer highly competitive wholesale pricing, ensuring you get the best value without compromising on quality. As an online clothing manufacturer in Bangladesh, we make the process seamless and convenient. From design to delivery, everything is just a click away. Our services go beyond manufacturing. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need help bringing your vision to life? We offer design assistance to help you create unique and marketable clothing lines. Lukakuu Global is a leading Bangladesh clothing manufacturer and exporter with years of experience in the international market. We are committed to delivering excellence and building long-term relationships with our clients. We are a trusted Bangladesh wholesale clothing factory, known for our efficiency and reliability. For cheap wholesale clothing manufacturers in Bangladesh, especially for online buyers, Lukakuu Global offers unbeatable value. Partner with us to streamline your production, reduce costs, and expand your clothing business. Ready to unlock more potential for your brand? Book a one-by-one call with us today.